ITCS Digital. Today we are going to discuss about the next section in our search engine optimization chapter, that is on-page optimization as well as off-page optimization. We have actually seen what black hat SEO is, white hat SEO as well as grey hat SEO is. Our grey hat SEO technique was a combination of both black hat SEO as well as white hat SEO, which actually comprised of doing both link building as well as optimization within the website. So today we are going to learn about the link building techniques as well as the on-page SEO techniques that we need to do so as to have a great SEO technique. So let's begin with the on-page optimization of our website. In on-page optimization, that is the on-page SEO, we are doing the keyword optimization within our website contents as well as the title meta descriptions that we write within our website. So let's begin with the keywords. We know what keywords are. Keywords are the search terms that we enter into the search engine like Google, Yahoo or Bing. The search terms that we enter into the search engines are actually considered by the robots within the search engine as keywords. Keywords can be of any type. It can be a single word, it can be a single letter, it can be a large word comprising of 3 and 4 number of words. So to classify with keywords, we have 3 different types of keywords that we generally use. Those are informative keywords, business keywords as well as brand keywords. Talking about the business keyword, those keywords are the keywords which actually generate business, or maybe the keywords which users enter into the search engine to find business that are related to those search terms. And the informative keywords are those keywords wherein users will be searching out with any question keyword. Just like people will be searching out for how to generate a website, or maybe how to create a free pic, or they'll also be searching for how to cook a curry or something like that. So informative keywords actually gives us the blogs as well as the information that a user searches for. But when it comes to business keyword, it actually generates businesses, or maybe it gives the SERP results, or maybe the search engine result pages as websites which actually give out that service. And when it comes to the branded keywords, it gives the exact brand name as the keyword, just like Amazon or Flipkart that we are searching for, and it displays the exact website that we need to have to see. Now, coming to the on-page optimization, we'll be optimizing our website along with the keywords that we will be finding for our website or maybe the service that we provide. And these keywords has to be placed within the on-page sections of the website. The on-page sections of the website include the SEO title, the SEO meta description, URL of the web pages, the content that we write within the website, the image or alternative text that we add, as well as the header tags within the web pages. All these sections are optimized within the individual pages of the website that we create. And each of the web pages of the website need to have unique titles, unique meta descriptions as well as unique URLs. We are writing the unique titles, descriptions as well as URLs so that there won't be any duplicate content within the website whenever the robot is crawling the individual web pages. And when it comes to the off-page SEO section, the off-page SEO section is generally link building for our website, or maybe taking references for our website from the other external websites which actually give out authority and which helps the ranking of our website. And both these sections actually include the search engine optimization of our search engine optimization that we do for a business website.